Welcome back to Bass in 60 Seconds, everybody. This is Joe and my hand. Now, today I'm going to answer some questions, some really good email questions that I got concerning pentatonic patterns. Now, some of us know what they are, and some of us play these things without really, knowing what they are. So let's cut all the clutter and all the confusion, and we'll get right to it. Pentatonic. Pentatonic, if you take the root, penta, that's 5. It means there's 5 notes to this pattern. And I'll show you what they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then they repeat. Now I'll just continue playing this pattern back down, and I'll explain what they are. This one here, what we're playing is a G minor pentatonic. Starting on the G, there's your root. It's a G up to the 6th fret for B flat, 3rd fret on your A string for the C, up a whole step to the 5th fret for the D, F, and that's the 5. And then we keep going from there. G, B flat, C. So now I'll play this pattern again. Our G right here, this is the 3rd fret. See, I'll show you the nut. Here's 3rd fret. So now, pentatonic, 5-note pattern. I'm going to change up one thing. I'm going to add what's called the blue note. That becomes the blues scale, or the blues pentatonic, or, well, that would be a pentasextatonic, I suppose. I know I'm going to get some math people calling me up and going, that's not what you call it. For those that know better, 6 notes. So we went from pentatonic to the blues pattern. It becomes a really cool thing to solo over. Pentatonic, 5 notes. Now I'm going to give you a little bit extra here. Pentatonic, since there's 5 notes to the pentatonic, that means there's 5 positions you can actually play it in. And all the shapes are going to be a little bit different. Now remember, when I talk about the shapes and things, these pentatonics are movable. Any of the scale patterns and things that we talk about in the lessons and things, they're all movable. Here's G pentatonic, G sharp pentatonic, A pentatonic. So that's why I emphasize learning the pattern, and then the notes will come after. Because I want to get you to play. And that's what it's really all about. This is where you have fun, creating and having a good time playing the instrument. So now the pentatonic, I'm going to show you the second pattern, which starts at the 6th fret. So we've got 6, 8, 5, 8, 5, 8, 5, 7. That's the second pattern of the pentatonic. If you guys want the rest, I mean, I encourage you to explore and find them, find the notes on your instrument. But if you're having a little trouble or a little difficulty, write me, let me know, and I can send you a PDF file that shows fingering positions and things like that all across the fingerboard. Or a JPEG if you like, if that's easier for you. Just let me know. I'll play this once again. I'm going to play the first pattern of the pentatonic into the second pattern. And these are all the same notes. They're all the same 5 notes. It's just juxtaposed depending on where you're playing them. And it really gets cool when you start soloing. Pentatonic, 5 notes. Those are the first 2 patterns of the pentatonic. Have fun with those. Like I said, any questions, let me know. Talk to you guys soon.